Hello my friend, how are you? Today I am going to tell you about most powerful compensation plan of this planet. Yes, my friend, it is of Empower Network Compensation Plan. And before I proceed, I would like to tell you one thing. There is an open challenge from me. There is an open challenge from me about something. So continue with me in this video and up to end, and you will know what is the challenge. So okay, so now I am starting. Before that, one thing. This compensation plan of this, before that I wanted to tell you something. You must have heard that we are earning a lot in this Empower Network. Due to this compensation plan, we are earning a lot. There is no doubt. But you just, when you will enter, you may not earn. Because you see, this is not a investment plan that you put some money and after some time you will start getting money. It's not like that. It's a internet marketing community's compensation plan in which if you work, you will get the result. It needs leadership, hard work and dedication, my friend. So, this was the disclaimer. Now, it is possible that you may earn much more than what we are earning. But it is also possible that you will not earn at all. It all depends on your dedication. So, now continuing with this compensation plan. You know what is the most powerful thing of this compensation plan? Yes, it is 100% commission. 100%, yes my friend, it is not even 99%, it is 100% commission. Now, a natural question will come to you that if company is giving 100% commission, then what is the profit of the company? Yes, the question is very genuine. Yes. Apart from this, company is also taking $19.95 from you as administrative and affiliate charges. So that is the profit of the company, and the company is running with that. Yeah. So there is nothing, you can say there is no scam and all that. It's a valid internet marketing company. So now now I am going to start this one. Now first I will start, suppose you are here. And your sponsor is here, right? Now suppose you have sponsored few people like A, then B, then C, D and E. Okay? Now, this compensation plan says that as soon as you have sponsored A and this is the first sponsor, then you are going to get the commission. 100% commission, my friend. Yes. And suppose this compensation plan I am discussing about $25. So you will start getting $25, right? Now, if you are sponsored the second one, that is B, then you are not going to get the commission. The commission will go to your sponsor. And third one, again you will get the commission. And then fourth one, it will go to your sponsor. And then again fifth one here. So now this is the sequence. But after that, what will be the sequence? I am just describing here. Just be with me. So the commission you will get from first, third, fifth and afterwards 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th all in continuity, but not of 11th, then 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. And what the commission will be of sponsor? 2nd, 4th, 6th and afterwards 11th, then 16th, then 21st, like that. So this is the sequence now. Now further, suppose now B is also sponsoring a lot of persons, which is natural one. Now suppose B has sponsored, the name are like this: B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now with this, what the B1 commission of B1 will go to B, there is no doubt, because of this, by virtue of this formula. Now commission of B2, who will get the commission of B2? Just, it is the question for you. Who will get the commission of B2? Whether it will be of you or a sponsor, who will get the commission? Just think for that. I am giving you 10 seconds. Till then I will see whether video is continuing or not. Yes, time is over. Now you tell me, who will get the commission of B2? Yes, commission of B2 will not go to you. It will go to the sponsor, your sponsor. I am indicating with green one. Because B is connected not with you. As far as commission is concerned, B is connected with your sponsor. So alternate next one is the sponsor. So commission of B2 will go to sponsor. Okay? Now further. Now B2 is again going on for sponsoring more and more people, because it will not, this saga is not going to stop here. B2, suppose the names are B21, B22, B23 and B24. Right? Now, who will get the commission of B21? It is quite clear. B2 will get the commission of B21. Right? Who will get the commission of B22? Yes, my friend. With the same formula. Who will get? Yes, you are right. Your sponsor will get. I am showing it with green. Your sponsor will get the commission. Okay? Yes, okay. Now, similarly, if we'll go in continuing like this, or B22 again, B221, B222, B223 and all that. So this will be for B22, and commission of B222, who will get? Yes, again it will be of sponsor only. How? Because B22 is also connected with sponsor. So now you will see what a clear-cut observation is there, that for a sponsor, B2 is responsible for connecting B22, B222. So like this. So now you will understand that who are getting the commissions of, who are getting commissions in case of a sponsor. Now you will maybe thinking, what I am going to get the commission? Don't worry, I will show you. So let me just wipe it out. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now from A. Yes. Now, suppose A1 has also sponsored A1, A2, A3 and also A4. Okay. Now from A1 commission will go to A. From A2 who will get the commission? Yes, tell me. From A2 who will get the commission? You will get the commission, simple. Okay. Now A2 has sponsored A21, A22, A23 and A24. Okay. Now A21, due to A21, A2 will get the commission. But A22, due to this one, who will get the commission? Of course A2 will not get. Whether it will be of A or you. Just think over that. With the same formula, there should not be any confusion now. A2, due to A22, you will get the commission, my friend. You. Yes. Right? Similarly, for A22 also, the second one, that is A22, from that commission will go to you. So this, now you can see, now there is a clear-cut observation. And what is that? From every level I am repeating you, from every level, you are getting the commission. From here, from A, this you can say as a first level. Okay. Now, from another level, yes, this is the second level, right? And then from the third level, so I have tried you to show the three levels, and from all the three levels, you are getting the commission. So that way, if you will go on seeing all these things, so you and your sponsor, they will get the commission from infinite level. At the same time, your sponsor will also get the commission from infinite level. But what is the case of width? This I have told you about depth. About width also, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, any number, count any number. From everywhere, either you or your sponsor will get the commission. Right? So, very important observation. And what is that? Observation is that it has got infinite depth and infinite width as far as commissioning is concerned. So commission from you or a sponsor is going to get from infinite depth and infinite width. So this is the very, very particular thing. Particularly this is very important. You should observe it. Now, so I have shown you that 100% commission is there and how the pass-up is going on. There is one observation just I wanted to repeat, although you might have already understood, that all the pass-ups in which suppose you are not getting the commission, your sponsor is going to getting the commission, that is called as a pass-up. So in that case, the pass-up is not of human being, but pass-up is of product. That I am going to show you next. Okay, so this was about short how the compensation plan is moving. With this, I am going to show you something more. That is another interesting thing. I am going to wipe it out. Empower Network has got 5 products. Out of that, this was the story of only one product. Now similarly, other products are also there, and all the compensation of all the products have got separate one. All the stories will be separate one. So first one was $25 US. So I am writing here $25 US. This is per month. Similarly, $100 US. This is also per month. Then $500 US. This is one time. So I am writing OT. then 1000 US dollar, this is also one time, and then 3500 US dollar, this is also one time. Okay. Now you have already seen for 25 US dollar, that is A, B, C, D, E. Those were persons were sponsored in case of you. You have sponsored all these things. Suppose you are here, you have sponsored all this. Now, what you are going to get? How the story of 1000 US dollar, 100 US dollar will go? Yes, it will be on the same theory, but here a keen observation is required. Suppose this A, B, C, D, E, all were told to take the 100 US dollar. But due to some reason, maybe some excuses or something like that, A has not taken the 100 US dollar product, B has taken. So B will be the first sponsor of 100 US dollar in case of you. Okay? Now, C has taken, okay? D has not taken, then E has taken. Suppose this is the scenario. Then first one, this one, this is the second one, third one. Now the story will be like this. First one, second one, third one. So this will be commission from here, you are going to get. From commission from here, it will go to a sponsor. Commission from here, it will be to you. So my friend, but remember, you must have taken the 100 US dollar product with you. Unless you buy that product, this you cannot, if you are going to sponsor, you will not get the commission. This is very important. You must have that product with you. So this is, without that, you will not get the commission. It is as simple as that. So sometimes it may happen that if you have not taken 100 US dollar product, then it will go to your sponsor. Even if in this case also it will go to a sponsor, in case of first one also. Why? Because you don't have the product of this one. So this is the most wisest thing to do in the Empower Network, is to go all in, up to from first one to end one, that is 3,500 US dollar. All product you should take. So this you must do it. Now I am going to tell you something else. See, till now you have seen, now here you will see the pass up is of, not of human being, but pass up is of product only. Right? Here is the case, because A has not taken. So no, it's not the case. Now next one will have got the same story, on and on. Okay, yes my friend. So continuing with that, I will tell you, yes, with this I have got a few quiz with you and a mind-boggling calculation of money. You will be surprised. So quiz is like this. If you have sponsored 100 persons with this compensation plan in Empower Network, then you will get the commission of how many? Just by sponsoring 100 persons. And sponsoring of 100 persons are not very difficult. The persons who are already there in MLM, they know very well. So with 100 persons, how many of commissions will be received by you? Just think over that with this compensation plan. And you can take any product, suppose 25 US dollar. Think over that. Yes, it is of 79 persons. Right? So you will get 25 US dollar multiplied by 79 in 1 month only if you have sponsored 100 persons. Now I will show you a mind-boggling calculation. Suppose now in 1 month, if you have sponsored 100 persons, then you will get the commission of 79 persons. Okay? So 79 multiplied by 25 US dollar is how much? Suppose for 80 instead of 79 I am taking for 80. Then how much it will be there? 80 multiplied by 25 is 2000 US dollar. Right? Minus 25 US dollar. Because it is not 80, it is 79. Right? So this much amount you will get per month, my friend. Because this is per month, 25 per month. This is the power of passive income. Now, it will not be stopped here only. It is also seen that if suppose you have sponsored 100 persons, then it has been seen that at least 50% of them are going for higher products. Because they are afraid that if the persons who have their downline, they may go for higher product, then they will miss the commission. So with the fear of that, they will go for 100 US dollar at least. So with this 50% will go. In that case, what will happen? Yes, 50% means 50 persons of out of that is since 100 persons are are sponsored, so 50 will go for 100 US dollar. So out of 50, all 50 commissions you are not going to get for 100 US dollar. You will get the commission of nearly 40. So okay, I am calculating as 40. So instead of 40, I will get it minus. It is not 40, in fact it is 38 or 39, something like. Suppose I am taking 38. Okay, for 100 US dollar. Okay, with suppose this is 40. So it is how much? 4,000 US dollar minus two numbers of 100 US dollar. So minus 200 US dollar. So again this will be per month. Right? So now you will see around, you can say less than, you have 6,000 US dollar minus how much? 225. That much you are getting in 1 month just by sponsoring only 100 persons. Anywhere in MLM, is there any such plan in which 100 by sponsoring 100 persons, somebody is getting 6,000 US dollar or less than 6,000 US dollar, suppose 5,500 US dollar. Are they getting anywhere? Not at all. Show me one example even. Right? Okay. So this was a quiz and calculation for you. You can calculate more than, not only this. Few of them will also go for 500 US dollar. Suppose even 10% of this one, they are going for 500 US dollar, then how much it will be there? You can calculate. Out of that also, if 10% will go here and here, it is mind-boggling, my friend, mind-boggling. There is no end of money here. And of course, this is one time only, this is not per month afterwards. Okay, now, I have got open challenge. You remember? In the beginning I told you there is open challenge. Now see, what is the open challenge? If anywhere on the planet, if same matching compensation plan you will get, that is 100% commission, infinite depth in the compensation plan, infinite width in the compensation plan, and such a high earning potential. And of course, there is no limit of the maximum money earning per month. If at all if you will get even a single one, then I will leave Empower Network and join with you in that company. This is my challenge. Right? So mind it. Yes, my friend, it has got such a powerful. Yeah, now one thing just I wanted to tell you. I have shown all the plans and all that. Regarding that, there is no doubt. And anybody who has already entered in the Empower Network, they can see the power of that one. Are you really serious about your this dreams and all that? Are you really serious? If at all you are serious, even a single 1% you are serious, then you will not leave this one. You will not leave this one. You will immediately join. I am sure. So that's all, my friend. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. See you on the other side.